It was a rainy afternoon, and Astrid was stuck inside. No bikes. No garden. No puddles to splash in. Just the sound of rain tapping on the windows like little fingers. Ugh. I'm so bored, she groaned. Her grandma smiled from the kitchen. Why don't you check the toy cupboard upstairs? That old thing? Astrid huffed. There's probably just puzzles with missing pieces and dolls with no shoes. But with nothing else to do, she climbed the creaky stairs and opened the little red door at the end of the hallway. And whoosh! She was pulled inside like a marble in a vacuum tube. Astrid blinked. She was no longer in Grandma's house. She stood in the middle of a colorful land filled with toys come to life. Teddy bears were dancing, robots were building towers, and puzzle pieces zipped through the air like birds. A wooden rocking horse trotted up and said, "Welcome, Astrid. We've been waiting for someone like you." "Wait, you know my name?" she gasped. "Of course. Only someone brave and clever gets invited to the toy cupboard realm." Then the rocking horse frowned. "But something's wrong. The toy train is stuck, the marble run is broken, and the puzzle bridge won't connect." Astrid's eyes lit up. "Sounds like you've got problems. Lucky for you, I love solving them." Astrid was taken to a hilly track where the toy train sat in silence. "The wheels won't move," cried Tilly the train conductor bear. Astrid knelt down and examined the train carefully. "The back wheels are off the track," she said. "But why?" She followed the tracks around the bend and saw a pile of jumbled wooden blocks. Aha! A fallen block pile knocked it off. She thought for a moment, then said, "Let's clear the blocks first. Then use extra puzzle pieces to support the bend so it doesn't happen again." They cheered as the train gave a choo-choo and rolled smoothly along the tracks again. One problem solved, Astrid grinned. Next, they arrived at a wide gap over a jellybean river. "The puzzle bridge pieces won't fit," squeaked a Lego knight. Astrid looked at the jumbled pieces. They were colorful and twisty, but none connected properly. "Looks like we're trying to use pieces from two different sets," Astrid said, tilting her head. "See? The tabs are shaped differently." She sorted them into two neat piles. "Let's stick with one set. Sometimes the best way to fix a big problem is to organize first." With each piece she clicked in, the bridge grew longer and stronger, until it stretched across the river like a rainbow zipper. "You're amazing," the knight cried. "Nope," Astrid said with a wink. "I just think before I fix." The last stop was a towering marble run with loops, funnels, and spinning parts. The marbles sat at the top, waiting. "Nothing works anymore," sniffled a stuffed giraffe. "They keep getting stuck." Astrid walked around it. She traced the path with her finger. "It's too steep here," she said. "And this twist is backwards." She gathered building blocks, tiny ramps, and even used a teacup. "Let's rebuild this step by step. Test each section before moving on." Everyone helped. They laughed, tested, and adjusted until whoosh! The marbles zoomed from top to bottom, whirling and spinning perfectly. "That's what we call teamwork and testing." Astrid laughed. With everything fixed, the toys gathered in a circle, clapping their tiny hands and paws. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!